welcome to today's video. My name is Sonya and I will be working on my 1986 Toyota Corolla AE86. Welcome back, you guys. I hope these headphones aren't too distracting. This is why I normally don't have my hair up, but it's really hot today. But these kind of work as my microphone speaker because the audio on my camera is terrible. So this is what I have to work with. Today I'm going to be working on maintenance stuff that I've been kind of avoiding, mostly because it's just not as fun. And also, I've been trying to get the car to run all this time. So now that it runs, I should probably, actually fix other things. I know that getting a diagnostics code might be pretty obvious and easy for most people, but in case somebody needs to see this, I'll show you what I'm doing. So here we have the good old 4AG diagnostics box. It's that little guy over there. And if you're having trouble finding it, it's the one that says diagnosis. What? Alright, pop this guy open. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a wire and then you're gonna short the E1 and the T. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Voila. Welcome to the inside of the car. Now I'm gonna turn the key into the on position. So as you can see, the check engine light is blinking. What you do is you're gonna count the blinks. So I got codes for the throttle position sensor and the water temp sensor. I think I should have a water temp sensor that I can put in. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I checked, hi. So I checked the resistance on the water temp sensor that's on the engine right now, and based off the manual it wasn't reading correctly, so I guess I gotta change it. I'm gonna use a 19 deep socket, and let's see. Ooh, I should probably put something underneath this so I don't get coolant everywhere. That's pretty easy. It's leaking so much. What the hell? Well, I got my new coolant temp switch in, but I have a feeling this guy needs to be replaced. Check this out. Yeah. Something tells me this guy wants to retire. Also, I looked up how much these are, and they're $200 for no reason. Next thing is a throttle position sensor. That was another code I got. Well, I got a new throttle position sensor, and I already put it in. Thing is, I didn't know that I was supposed to calibrate it. So that's new to me. Let's see if I can figure that out. It shouldn't be too hard. So what I've been doing is measuring the resistance on the throttle position sensor with the throttle body closed, and just seeing if it matches up to the resistance in the manual. I was also advised to start the car, let it warm up and see how it sounds in idle, and then just kind of make little adjustments here and there. I got it idling to about 800 RPM, so I don't think I accomplished anything today. I mean, I didn't clear any codes, which is unfortunate, but I did fix my idle, and it does sound a lot better, and I'm happy about that. Also, I found out something. My friend had messaged me about the temp sensors, and let me show you guys something. So I was talking to my friend about all this, and he sent me a picture of his water neck on his car, and it looked really different, and he was telling me that it looks like I have the JDM water neck, but then I have a USDM harness, and that's why this guy doesn't have a home. So I think it's really confusing, but I think this is the thermo water sensor. I'm all kinds of confused right now, but I think this is why I'm getting a code. As for the other code that I'm throwing, so let's review. I had a code for 4, 7, and then 41. So the other one was, I think 2 of those codes were for throttle position sensor. So I'm not sure where to go about that. But I will look more into it and see if I can figure this out. Any knowledge on this? I always appreciate your input. You guys are a knowledgeable bunch. Oh, if you remember in my last video, I told you guys that I was gonna take the car out on a road trip, and I did. It's a 3-hour road trip, and she did solid. Yeah. Although I was really nervous because it did start to rain at one point, and she's kind of losing a bit of traction in the wet spots, but I just drove really slowly. That was fine. But anyways, man, I hate ending the video without making any kind of progress or any development, but it's okay. Ooh, another thing, I'm so easily distracted. I was going through some stuff because I was hoping I would find the old water neck, the USDM one in my box of parts. I didn't. But I did find this. It's the gas lid for my wide body. So it's like extra thick, which is cool. I'm excited about that. I'm gonna put that on. And it also has the glittery paint that matches the fiberglass fenders. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.